Structural adhesives are utilized in the assembly of the Model 2 to facilitate the creation of a continuous load path. This innovative approach significantly improves vibration distribution and enhances overall body stiffness, thereby augmenting the vehicle's longevity and enriching the driving experience. Furthermore, the implementation of standardized fasteners streamlines the repair and maintenance processes, which enables expeditious service times while minimizing the incidence of tool mix-ups. Consequently, this development leads to reduced repair costs for vehicle owners. Moreover, anti-corrosion treatments are administered to subassemblies prior to the final assembly stage, markedly enhancing the vehicle's rust resistance. As a result, owners will observe a notable decrease in corrosion-related issues even after prolonged use. In addition to this, the underbody design incorporates a flat under tray along with strategically placed access panels, which serve to shield against mud and water damage. This design not only protects the vehicle but also improves aerodynamics and efficiency during highway driving. Transitioning to Tesla's chip protection strategy, it is noteworthy that the design includes reinforced sills and composite liners. These components are specifically engineered to absorb impacts, thereby reducing instances of paint chipping and preventing rust through effective surface preservation. In terms of interior design, the Model 2 showcases a minimalist cabin that features intuitive controls. These elements allow drivers to operate various functions by feel, thereby enhancing their focus on the road and simplifying the overall user experience. Notably, the Model 2 incorporates mineral fiber composite materials, which provide enhanced durability and scratch resistance compared to conventional faux leather. This choice contributes significantly to maintaining a long-lasting interior appearance. Extending the principles of minimalist design, the door modules in the Model 2 are crafted for rapid repairs, permitting the replacement of entire units rather than individual components. This approach not only enhances efficiency but also reduces service time considerably. The rear semi-independent suspension system of the Model 2 is engineered to minimize wear points, resulting in fewer age-related issues and promoting a more durable setup ideal for daily commuting. This design philosophy prioritizes practicality over extreme performance. Additionally, the integrated hub and bearing system facilitates quick replacements, consequently minimizing labor time and reducing the likelihood of future mechanical issues. This design choice underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to service efficiency. Furthermore, the Tesla Model 2 features common tire sizes which contribute to lowering replacement costs and enhancing availability. This pragmatic approach ultimately benefits owners by alleviating financial burdens associated with tire maintenance. The adoption of IP67 rated connectors throughout the vehicle significantly heightens durability, as these connectors effectively shield electronic components from moisture and dust. This protective measure ensures the consistent functionality of features over time, even under adverse weather conditions. Moreover, the cabin air filter in the Tesla Model 2 is designed with longevity in mind, featuring a larger filter box that diminishes the frequency of necessary replacements. This enhancement aids in maintaining air quality over an extended period. In constructing the Tesla Model 2, a combination of glued and welded shell components is employed to ensure both stiffness and durability. This robust build plays a pivotal role in contributing to the overall reliability of the vehicle. Lastly, inside the Model 2, practical design elements such as tactile knobs and modular door components are integrated to simplify repairs and maintenance procedures. This user-friendly approach significantly elevates the overall ownership experience. Model 2 presents a distinctive design characterized by a reimagined front fascia and an innovative headlight configuration, which differentiates it from the Model Y and other Tesla vehicles. This distinct aesthetic sets it apart in a competitive market. In addition to its unique appearance, the Model 2 incorporates practical elements, such as an expansive cargo space and efficient 18-inch wheels, both meticulously engineered to enhance its range. These design considerations are focused on improving affordability while preserving essential functionality. Internally, the Model 2 emphasizes an approach rooted in simplicity, featuring fundamental amenities like manually adjustable seats and vents, along with a standard audio system. This design philosophy aligns with Tesla's overarching goal of minimizing costs without sacrificing quality. The vehicle's anticipated acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour within approximately 6 seconds reflects a competitive edge within its pricing tier. Such performance metrics are noteworthy when juxtaposed with conventional gasoline-powered vehicles. Current estimations suggest that the Model 2's operational range could approximate 300 miles per charge, a figure attainable through the utilization of advanced battery technologies. This range positions the Model 2 as a formidable contender in the burgeoning electric vehicle marketplace. Conversely, Elon Musk's announcement regarding the Cybertruck has encountered skepticism in the European market, primarily due to regulatory challenges. Presently, the Cybertruck fails to comply with European Union safety standards, raising significant concerns regarding its design and future viability. In a parallel development, Tesla has refined the Model Y's design, introducing new bumpers and a sporty carbon fiber spoiler aimed at enhancing both aerodynamics and visual appeal. These modifications contribute to improvements in performance as well as overall aesthetics. Beyond exterior enhancements, the Model Y boasts advanced interior features, including heated and ventilated seats, in addition to a substantial 16-inch touchscreen that significantly elevates the user experience. Furthermore, the integration of enhanced acoustic materials ensures a quieter cabin environment. Additionally, Elon Musk has revealed ambitions for Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, which aspires to redefine productivity across multiple sectors. Its sophisticated capabilities are projected to facilitate a wide range of tasks, both within domestic settings and industrial applications. Musk asserts that the Optimus robot will outpace all of Tesla's existing products in performance, positioning it as a significant strategic asset for the company. This perspective underscores the transformative potential that robotics holds for various industries. The introduction of the Model 2 electric vehicle seeks to democratize access to EVs for millions, particularly in developing markets where electric vehicles are often perceived as luxury commodities. This strategic initiative has the potential to disrupt and reshape the global automotive landscape. Ultimately, the Model 2's competitive pricing, coupled with its impressive features, is poised to challenge established automotive manufacturers. This dynamic could compel traditional automakers to swiftly adapt in order to safeguard their market positions within an increasingly competitive atmosphere, thus redefining industry standards. Integration of wireless charging technology in Model 2 enhances convenience for urban dwellers and families, effectively distinguishing Tesla from its more affordable competitors. Shifting towards wireless charging simplifies the vehicle's design by reducing complexity and potential failure points, aligning with Tesla's goal of cost reduction while preserving a premium experience. Tesla's structural battery design incorporates the battery as part of the vehicle's framework, which significantly expands interior space compared to traditional electric vehicles. The implementation of Tesla's 4,680 cells increases energy density by 16%, facilitating a lower overall battery height that enhances packaging efficiency and optimizes vehicle design. Moreover, this structural integration lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, improving dynamic stability and handling, which greatly enhances safety and performance on the road. Tesla's focus on adaptive suspension technology improves ride comfort in its more affordable models. This system intelligently adjusts based on real-time data, enhancing stability and minimizing driver fatigue. Effective thermal management in electric vehicles is crucial, as it can account for 15 to 30% of total energy consumption, directly impacting the real-world driving range. Tesla's advanced thermal architecture features decoupled thermal zones and enhanced insulation, enabling precise temperature control that reduces energy consumption and elevates both comfort and efficiency. Furthermore, modern aerogel-based insulation materials enhance thermal resistance while adding minimal weight, leading to significant efficiency gains that set Tesla apart from traditional automotive solutions. The Model 2 redesign addresses flaws from previous models, such as electronic door handles that failed in emergencies, now incorporating a redundant exit mechanism to bolster safety. Additionally, the Model 2 features a universal mechanical access system, making door unlocking straightforward for all passengers, including children, with visible release handles that are user-friendly. Human factors played a crucial role in the design process, as rescue professionals tested the exit systems under realistic conditions. Their feedback significantly shaped the mechanical design and accessibility of the doors. Mechanical redundancy remains vital in electric vehicles to ensure that safety mechanisms function properly even in panic situations, highlighting the importance of design in enhancing user safety. Tesla's strategy for battery fire prevention employs a cellular isolation system, which slows thermal runaway, providing crucial escape time for passengers during emergencies. This innovative suppression system activates within milliseconds, preventing catastrophic failures and allowing passengers a significantly extended response time compared to conventional electric vehicle safety measures. The predictive function developed from actual Tesla battery failure data can identify early warning signals, potentially averting dangerous incidents before they escalate, thus enhancing overall vehicle safety. In crash tests, the Model 2 displayed an impressive delay of thermal runaway for an average of 4.2 minutes, even under extreme conditions, underscoring the effectiveness of the battery's cellular isolation. The inclusion of advanced safety architecture in the Model 2 forms over 8% of the vehicle's price, reflecting Tesla's commitment to safety without compromising affordability. Additionally, the Model 2 can supply power for tools and other household needs during outages, functioning as a mobile backup source and enhancing its practicality. Tesla's approach supports years of software updates, ensuring vehicle longevity and minimizing the need for hardware replacements, which promotes sustainable usage over time. Moreover, the ownership model emphasizes low initial costs along with flexible upgrades, empowering users to manage expenses effectively and reducing the financial burdens associated with car ownership. Tesla's over-the-air platform facilitates seamless updates, delivering new features and improvements without necessitating service visits, ensuring that the vehicle remains current and functional. Cloud profiles enable multiple users to access personal settings in any compatible Tesla, streamlining the experience for families and rental scenarios, significantly reducing the learning curve for new drivers. The potential for income generation through ride-sharing is substantial, as the average car remains parked 95% of the day. Utilizing the Model 2 for such purposes can yield considerable revenue. In 2025, the IRS standard mileage rate for business use is set at $0.670 per mile, encompassing depreciation, maintenance, and insurance costs, serving as a valuable benchmark for vehicle owners. Leveraging peer-to-peer car-sharing platforms like GetAround and Turo can generate significant income for vehicle owners, offering flexible pricing based on various criteria, including location and vehicle model. Finally, the Model 2's technology facilitates efficient climate control and energy management, enhancing user comfort while minimizing energy consumption, ultimately leading to lower operating costs compared to traditional vehicles. The Model 2 employs a compact lithium iron phosphate battery, priced at approximately $2,650. This pricing strategy renders it markedly more economical than conventional battery systems, thereby reflecting the prevalent trend of decreasing battery costs within the industry. In addition to its cost-effective battery, expectations suggest that the Model 2 will embody a minimalist design ethos, featuring smaller wheels and basic interior options. Such design choices are instrumental in significantly reducing production costs, aligning seamlessly with Tesla's vision for affordable transportation solutions. The Model 2's propulsion system is anticipated to consist of a single motor, optimized for cost efficiency. By utilizing ferrite magnets instead of higher-cost alternatives, this innovation stands to further diminish the vehicle's total price point, enhancing its market appeal. Despite potentially lower performance metrics and a more basic feel relative to other Tesla offerings, the Model 2 is strategically positioned to appeal to budget-conscious consumers. This aligns with the increasing demand for affordable electric vehicles within emerging markets, creating a viable option for a wider demographic. Furthermore, Tesla's choice to initiate the Model 2's production from Giga Shanghai capitalizes on China's robust and efficient supply chain. This decision enhances affordability for consumers not only in China but also in the US, indicating a strategic blend of global market considerations. Tesla's assertive pricing strategy is poised to compel competitors to reconsider their pricing frameworks. As a result, this may lead to substantial savings for consumers, ultimately reshaping the competitive landscape of the electric vehicle market. The introduction of the Model 2 directly responds to the growing demand for compact and affordable electric vehicles, particularly in price-sensitive regions. This strategic focus mirrors broader global trends that emphasize the necessity for lower-priced electric vehicles. In terms of production strategy, Tesla aims to leverage lithium iron phosphate battery supply to mitigate costs effectively. This approach allows for competitive pricing strategies while maintaining the integrity of quality and range, thus positioning the Model 2 uniquely within the automotive marketplace. The anticipated global rollout of the Model 2 includes extensive production expansions across various regions, thus ensuring its availability and accessibility to consumers worldwide. These plans encompass ambitious output targets across an array of gigafactories, indicating Tesla's commitment to meeting global demand. Internally, the Model 2 is designed with cost efficiency in mind, accommodating up to 5 passengers without incorporating luxury features. This design philosophy resonates with Tesla's overarching goal of affordability, prioritizing fundamental functionality over indulgent comforts. It is projected that Tesla will implement a next-generation aluminum-ion battery in the Model 2, striking a balance between affordability and commendable performance metrics, potentially achieving a range of 250 miles per charge. This technological advancement underscores Tesla's continuous pursuit of innovation. Production efficiency for the Model 2 will be bolstered through the application of advanced manufacturing techniques, akin to those established for the Model Y and Cybertruck. This strategy is designed to ensure that the Model 2 remains cost-effective while adhering to stringent quality standards. The utilization of the Gigapress enables Tesla to manufacture extensive vehicle components as a singular unit, significantly enhancing structural integrity while concurrently reducing production time.
This transformative approach represents a groundbreaking advancement in automotive manufacturing.
Tesla's aspiration to cast the entire vehicle chassis in one press showcases their unwavering commitment to innovation. Achieving this objective requires the deployment of a larger gigapress, equipped with enhanced capabilities compared to existing models. Elon Musk's emphasis on affordability with the Model 2 is increasingly pertinent as competition escalates from lower-cost electric vehicles. This strategic initiative is essential for preserving Tesla's market position amid intensifying competitive pressures. Moreover, the design of the Model 2 simplifies production processes by mirroring the successful framework of the Model Y. This allows Tesla to leverage pre-existing manufacturing operations for cost-effectiveness, thereby minimizing the necessity for extensive restructuring. Cost-cutting measures include the exclusion of luxury features, such as ventilated seating and panoramic glass roofing, which contribute to a more streamlined aesthetic and user experience for this entry-level vehicle. Such modifications underscore the prioritization of affordability. The Model 2 is set to incorporate a 53 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery, delivering an adequate range conducive to urban commuting. This battery choice aptly balances affordability with performance, eliminating the necessity for high-capacity options. Elon Musk's strategic decision to employ ferrite magnets in lieu of rare earth materials represents a significant reduction in production costs, yielding savings of approximately $2,000 per vehicle. This decision stands as a crucial element for achieving both affordability and scalability. Aiming to capture the mass market segment, the Model 2 directly competes with brands such as BYD, with the potential to attract millions of middle-class consumers. Its success could herald a transformative period for Tesla's sales trajectory. Nonetheless, despite its reduced price point, the model may encounter significant challenges, including intensified competition from other economical electric vehicles and the potential loss of federal tax credits. These variables could substantially affect consumer interest levels and overall sales performance. BYD's competitive pricing strategy, with cars available for as low as $9,000, is drawing in numerous buyers and overshadowing Tesla's earlier pricing models. This trend underscores the changing dynamics within the electric vehicle market. Additionally, the elimination of the $7,500 federal tax credit presents a considerable hurdle for Tesla, complicating the affordability of the Model 2 and potentially hindering its success in the marketplace. While Tesla touts advanced production techniques and innovative features, the Model 2's design appears to incorporate cost-cutting measures, such as fewer luxury amenities, which may disappoint dedicated Tesla enthusiasts. To achieve savings, Tesla has implemented key cost reduction strategies, including the use of fabric seats and steel wheels, together conserving up to $1,000 per vehicle. These adjustments support Tesla in maintaining competitive pricing. Moreover, the introduction of a 53 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery is set to lower costs and enhance durability, all while providing users with an impressive range of approximately 240 miles. Tesla's new lithium iron phosphate battery factory in Nevada is poised to further reduce battery costs by $1,500 to $2,000 per pack, thereby bolstering their domestic production capabilities. In addition, the innovative gigapress technology streamlines the manufacturing process, cutting production time for the Model 2 down to just 15 seconds, marking a significant advancement in Tesla's production efficiency. Elon Musk's strategy includes a clear segmentation of models to prevent sales cannibalization between the Model 2 and Model Y. This careful distinction in features is crucial for fostering customer loyalty to both models. Designed for practicality and cost-effectiveness, the Model 2 features a single rear motor providing a 240-mile range, catering to consumers seeking affordable electric vehicles without demanding high-performance capabilities. Notably, the Model 2's all-wheel drive variant accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5 seconds, emphasizing Tesla's commitment to performance even within its budget range, marking a significant leap over the rear-wheel drive version. Moreover, Chinese manufacturers such as BYD and NIO are gaining ground in the affordable EV sector with competitive pricing and sophisticated supply chains, effectively posing a substantial threat to Tesla's market dominance. Finally, Tesla's strategy encompasses not only the launch of new models but also enhancements to existing vehicles, aiming to captivate consumer interest in long-range electric vehicles. This dual approach is vital for maintaining relevance in a swiftly evolving market. Traditional manufacturers of electric vehicles prioritize maximizing driving range, which often results in consumer apprehension regarding potential battery depletion before reaching charging stations. In contrast, Tesla's approach reframes this perspective by shifting the emphasis away from mere range metrics. Tesla's innovative dual-cell charging system effectively divides the battery into two independent